Editing like Bolt Motivation, Ultimate Guide. Can you hear the thunder? Unleash the editing superhero within. Imagine this. You open YouTube, click on a video, and bam! You're bombarded with electrifying visuals, a soundtrack that punches you in the gut, and a story that leaves you pumped and ready to take on the world. That's the power of Bolt Motivation editing. And guess what? You can harness that same power. This isn't some pipe dream, this is your editing origin story waiting to be written. But before you don your metaphorical editing cape and dive headfirst into the fray, let's build a solid foundation. The first step on this epic journey isn't as glamorous as defeating a digital villain, it's organization. Picture this, a mountain of unlabeled clips, tangled like digital spaghetti. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Instead, let's create a filing system so smooth, it'll make Marie Kondo weep tears of joy. Categorize your scenes, label your takes meticulously, and build a structure that allows you to find any clip faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. Trust me, an organized edit bay is the unsung hero that saves you hours and keeps your sanity intact. Master your editing software, become the chosen one. Now, it's time to embrace your editing software like Neo embraced the Matrix. Dive deep, learn its secrets, and become a master of its tools. Explore keyboard shortcuts like a seasoned pianist, navigate the timeline with the grace of a Jedi Knight, and uncover the hidden functionalities that will make your workflow sing like a well-oiled machine. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand your software, the faster you can translate your creative vision into reality. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new transitions, play with effects, and push the boundaries of what's considered normal. After all, practice makes perfect, so unleash your inner editing explorer. But wait, there's more. The power of sound. Hold on a second, this isn't just about visuals. Music and sound effects are the secret sauce that takes your edits from good to goosebump-inducing greatness. Imagine a montage of determined individuals pushing towards their goals. Powerful, right? Now, picture that same montage with a soaring orchestral score that swells with each hurdle overcome. Suddenly, the viewer isn't just watching, they're feeling it all, the struggle, the triumph, the raw emotion. So, dedicate time to curating the perfect soundtrack. Think epic trailer music for moments of high intensity, or inspirational piano melodies for scenes of quiet determination. The right music elevates your edit, creating a symphony of emotions for your audience. Embrace the bold, break the editing mold. Now comes the truly exciting part, making bold choices. Editing isn't just about technical proficiency. It's about storytelling. Don't be afraid to experiment with cuts, play with pacing, and consider unorthodox transitions that surprise and engage your viewers. Remember, the most captivating edits are often those that break the mold. Think outside the box, challenge conventional editing techniques, and let your creativity flow. Unleash the bolt within. You are the editing force. By mastering these principles, you'll be well on your way to becoming an editing force of nature. You'll craft videos that don't just inspire, they ignite a fire within your audience. Remember, the power to create impactful, electrifying edits lies dormant within you. Follow these steps, hone your skills, and unleash the bolt motivation within. This is just the beginning of your editing odyssey. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together, we'll transform your edits from good to great, from mundane to motivational, from ordinary to extraordinary.